Hey, what's up, everybody? It's David Book again here with you from Colorado. This is video number 6 in the Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing 101. And today we're going to talk about capture pages, all right? A lot of people call these capture pages, opt-in pages, squeeze pages, landing pages, all right? These kind of pages, their purpose is to offer your visitor something free, something of value in exchange for an email address. Okay, because when we're doing internet business, one of the biggest assets that we can own is an email list or a contact list of interested prospects that we can market our product, services, or opportunities to. Okay, so this is a very important piece in the automated internet marketing business system that I'm trying to teach you guys here. And this is the piece that is actually going to turn your marketing into a lead, okay? Someone that you can put your product, services, or opportunities in front of and show them the value of those different things, show them how it integrates and solves their problems, alleviates their pains, and plays to their desired outcomes, okay? So if you're not familiar with a capture page, basically what it is it's just a static page that's going to give people a little bit of information and attract them to what you are offering, show them how it's going to solve one of their problems, and offers to make the exchange for information for an email address. Okay, so I know you guys have seen a lot of these capture pages. Maybe you just didn't realize what you're looking at, right? Some of them can get pretty complicated. There's a lot of stuff going on in some of these high-end capture pages. But if you're new to internet marketing and you're just trying to get going, trying to generate some leads, make some sales, put some money in your bank account, then you can create very easy, professional-looking, simple capture pages with a web platform that I use every day. It's called Lead Pages. All right. The first time I ever heard about Lead Pages was when I was listening to one of Pat Flynn's podcasts. Pat Flynn is the Smart Passive Income blog owner, creator, and he also does a podcast, puts out a bunch of great information. Anyways, I heard about Lead Pages, and I really didn't quite know what exactly was going on there, and I went to check it out, and I got distracted, and I ended up not remembering about Lead Pages for a couple months until I got involved with my mentor, who pointed me in the direction of Lead Pages and showed me how I could easily drive traffic to one of these pages and convert that traffic into leads. All right, and that's really important for an internet business because just like any store, any business, you know, if you have a retail location and you're trying to sell whatever you have inside, maybe it's dog food or books or computer services, whatever it is, you need traffic to come in your front door that's interested in what you have to offer before you can actually sell them something. Okay, so the point here is that we need to take some traffic, we need to drive it to one of these capture pages so that you can convert that traffic into leads so that you can market your opportunity, service, or product to that lead. Okay, you want to have that information. It's very, very important that you get that email address and start building your asset in an email list so that you can market to those people. Okay, because you've probably heard the saying that the fortune is in the follow-up, right? And that's true in most sales environments where you're trying to sell something to people. Is you want to be able to follow up with them because 95% of the people are not going to buy what you have to offer on the first time that they see it. Okay, it's going to take an average of 5 to 7 exposures to that information for those particular people to want to go ahead and take out their credit card and put their information in and buy what you have to offer. Okay, so the capture page gets the email address, puts them on our list so we can market to them in the future. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share my screen with you guys, and I'm going to show you inside of Lead Pages and some of the things that you can do to create these capture pages. Okay, this is very easy stuff. All right, so here is inside of my Lead Pages account. Okay, this is a capture page that I made 3 or 4 months ago. I'm promoting the Empowered Network here, and basically what I did was I created a headline, all right? And this headline is going to communicate to the visitor to this capture page what they're going to get, okay? And I'm saying here that they're going to get 100% free video, and it's going to reveal something to them. So I'm kind of playing to their curiosity a little bit. And then I'm talking about down here in the main headline or the sub-headline how they can make $1,296+ a day using the 3-step simple system that I used to fire my boss, retire early, and get checks like these every month. Okay, and then I've got a picture behind there, as you can see, some of the Empower Network guys with their huge checks, in the upwards of $20,000 each. Right now, these results are not typical, so if you're looking at being in any kind of business, you really want to look at these income disclosures and make sure that these incomes are actually real and that these results are attainable. Okay, and so then also on this landing page, I put a link to the income disclosure down here right below the form there. All right, and then I'm able to put in a call to action here, which says enter your email address to watch the video, and then I've got a little button that says show me the video. Okay, and when you click this button, a little form pops up, and they can put in their email address. All right, this is where you collect that email address, and you turn your prospect into an asset. Okay, someone on your email list. Okay. Now, one of the really cool things about lead pages, all right, is very, very easy to operate. Right. These fields that you can change here, you can just pop your mouse in there and you can type something else in. It's really plug and play, right? Super easy. You can change all this stuff around and almost notice. Right now, here on the left side, you can go to styles. You can change all the colors of everything in here, right? You can change the color theme, the fonts. You can change everything about how the page looks. It's really cool, and there's no coding involved here, guys. It's just you're clicking and you're typing, all right? And some of these colors you're just dragging your mouse around, guys. It's really super easy to do. Okay. Now this is one example of a lead capture page that I made with lead pages, and another cool thing about lead pages here is it will allow you to do split testing. Okay, which is one of the most important things about optimizing your automated business system. Okay, you want to know which pages work better, and you want to use those pages more often. Okay, so the lead pages gives you a way to create different variations of the same page, and lead pages will actually rotate your traffic through those different pages equally, and it will show you the analytics on the backside of how many conversions you are getting on which page. Right, so I'm going to show you here just a couple variations of the same page that I made that's all under the same link. Okay, so these 3 pages that I'm going to show you are all linked together and they're being rotated, and I can see which pages are doing better. All right, so this is another page made very easily. It's got the same message. It's got a little bit different copy in the button. I'm testing the button copy here to see if that is going to change my opt-in rate at all. And obviously I've changed the picture. Okay, I've gone from like a blue hued background with some social proof with the checks, and then I've moved toward kind of a sunburst orange and red feeling here that I think kind of gives a feeling of accomplishment with the guy standing up there with his hands out. So that's one variation that I did, and then we can check out the third variation that I ran. And here it is. It's in green, and it says almost the same stuff. The button is changed again, and the background image is changed again. All right. So I can go through these and see which ones are working better. I can tweak and optimize different parts of the landing pages, and this takes mere minutes, guys. There's no coding, no HTML, no CSS, none of that stuff. Sorry, just take a little drink of water there. All right, so that's one example of some lead pages that I've created to show you guys how to do this pretty easily and simply. All right. Now here's another example. This is a different kind of format of a capture page. It's a video capture page, all right? And it works just the same as the previous page that I showed you, except we got video in here. Videos are more engaging to people. They can hear you, they can see you, and they can really kind of gauge what kind of person you are just from the way that you do your videos. And what this does here, if you have a video capture page, is it allows your audience to get to know you a little bit before they actually start looking at what you have to offer. Okay. Now this video capture page also doubles as what I call a pre-frame video, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in the next edition of the Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing video series. But just for the purpose of this particular page here, if you remember back to the first episode of the Hitchhiker's Guide where we talked about your business and the blueprint that we use to build the ship. Okay, the pre-frame video is in there, and it's used to build reputation and rapport, and it's also used to build authority. So when you have a capture page here that has a video on it, dog back there shaking. Anyway, when you use a video page, you're going to be a lot more personable with your audience, and you're going to be able to get your message across to them a little bit better and more effective than you would just using text alone. Okay. So this video landing page here, this capture page, like people can watch the video. You can embed any kind of video you want here. You just need the video embed code, which I've done here. Super easy. Copy and paste. You're done. You got a video on a landing page. All right. You got some call to action buttons here, right? This is going to bring up a form to get that email address. That's so important to build as an asset. All right. That's the #1 function of a landing page or squeeze opt-in page, whatever you want to call it. Is getting that email address, all right? And then down here it gives me some bullet points that I can customize and tweak. And here, some of you guys may have seen this page. Maybe you opted in on this page. And these particular bullet points are about getting the prospect to realize that there are some problems in their life, maybe with their business, or maybe their network marketing business not doing so well. They want to learn how to recruit people online. Maybe they're tired of handing out magazines, DVDs, calling friends and family. They're tired of wasting so much time on these offline processes that they're looking for something better. And in these bullet points here, that's what I try to communicate, is that there's a better way to run a business, and you can do it online by getting the Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing. So when they click this get the guide now, all right, boom, there we go, email address, collecting that thing to start building that email list asset, right? Now again, all this stuff is fully customizable. You can make it say whatever you want it to say. You can put whatever video in that you want. And another cool little thing here, guys, is you can add some Facebook connectivity. So you can tell lead pages which Facebook page you would like to have it show on your landing page here, and people can go ahead and just like your Facebook page right from the landing page. Okay, this makes a very easy way to build an audience and to build a fan base through Facebook, right? And there's multiple ways to do this through lead pages with Twitter, Google+, and a lot of the other social media sites. Okay. On to the next example. This is going to be kind of redundant here. This is another promotion that I did to teach people who are in the travel business, the network marketing travel business, how they can automate their recruiting process online and explode their business. Okay. Same thing, free video is my lead magnet that I'm offering to them in exchange for an email address. Got the little button, boom, give me an email address. Okay. Simple concept, guys. Very, very easy to put together. This does not take a rocket scientist to figure this stuff out. Okay. Next example, I'm trying to capture some bloggers here that want to make money online and travel the world. Again, this free video is the lead magnet. Same kind of deal here, guys. Click, get the email. You know the drill. All right. Here's another one that I used. Same thing. These are all fully customizable, very easy to do. Okay. So I'm going to take you here into my lead pages back office, and I'm just going to show you real quick how you can set one of these up in just a matter of minutes. All right. So for the purpose of this one, we're talking about opt-in pages. All right. Lead pages has a bunch of different templates that you can use. You can go through them all. You can check them out. There's tons of them. You can use it for all kinds of different stuff. I'm going to click on opt-in pages here, and one thing that's cool about lead pages is you can sort by the conversion rate. So we're gonna try that just to see what comes up. All right. So we'll jump into the very first one. Supposedly has the highest converting format going on here. So it's loading us up a new lead page, brand new. This is their template that they use. Okay. Now we got a spot for a logo up here. We got a headline. We got a sub-headline, and then we got the opt-in box down here. Okay. So let's say we don't want the logo. Yeah, we'll just we'll skip that part. You can upload any kind of picture you want here. You can upload it straight to lead pages, and it will plug it into your opt-in page here. Now this is just a title. You know, you could say learn how to sell ice cubes to the Eskimos. All right. It's an example of a headline, all right? And then you can change this around. You know, ice cubes are cold. Just showing you guys how easy it is to customize this stuff, okay? You can say down here, you know, get access to the ice cold video. All right, you can change all this stuff around. You got your opt-in box here. You can change all this. Above the box, you can change what the buttons say. Change all the text. All right. Now, one thing that's very, very cool about Lead Pages is that it integrates with your autoresponder service. Okay. No, that's not what we want. Lead Pages just changed their layout here. I'm looking for how to integrate this with the autoresponder service. Opt-in box. I can change the visibility there, whether it's there or not. Interesting. Well, save time on this, guys. There is a way to integrate your email autoresponder into Lead Pages, and so that when somebody opts in, it gives you their email address, it's going to get directly connected to your Aweber email list. Okay, and you don't necessarily have to use Aweber. Aweber is what I use. There's several others out there. Mailchimp, GetResponse, a bunch of different ways to go about building an email list. But Lead Pages will work with all those things seamlessly, so that as soon as somebody opts into your lead page, your email autoresponder is going to get that email address, and it's going to send it to your list, and they're going to start, you know, receiving your autoresponder messages, so that you can do that follow-up and really market to those guys really well. Okay, so hope you guys have learned something here. If you're new to internet marketing, multi-level marketing, network marketing, you know, affiliate stuff, this is the best way to collect email addresses. You know, I'm sure some of you know that when you get involved with an affiliate marketing company, or you're trying to sell someone else's products, a lot of times they build their own lead capture pages and their own funnels for you. But you got to realize that there's thousands and thousands of other people all driving traffic to those same capture pages, and eventually they're going to become diminishing returns on those, and you're not going to see as good as results as you would if you created your own stuff. Right, so I recommend creating your own landing pages, customize them, make them personable to you, so that you can position yourself above the rest of the market. Okay, because most people out there who are marketing, let's face it, man, they're incredibly lazy, and they don't want to do the work to really get into high quality marketing that can put themselves above and beyond the rest of the market. Okay, and that's what these custom lead pages opt-in forms are going to do for you. All right, they're gonna put you in a position where you're going to look like an authority, and you're going to have a little bit better reputation and rapport with those prospects because you're creating your own stuff. You're not using the cookie cutter things that everyone else uses. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this information today on lead capture pages and how to use lead pages a little bit to enhance your business, to get better conversions, to get more leads, and to drive more sales for your business. All right, because that's really what we're after here. We're after that extra income in our pockets. You know, we want to be able to build that system online that works for us while we're sleeping, so that we can see those monetary returns coming back to our business without us having to do a whole lot of extra work. Okay, and that's what Lead Pages does for you. It allows you to automate these landing pages so that they automatically link with your email autoresponder, and so that they allow the functioning of your business system to happen. All right. So this has been video 6 to the the Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing 101. This tongue twister. It's quite a long title. Maybe I should change that one of these days. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys on the next video where we talk about pre-frame videos and how to use those, again, with lead pages to build that rapport and to establish authority in your market and to let people get to know you. So until then, I will check you guys later. Hope you're having a good one. I will see you then.